Turn up to this Potterton Promax 12HE. Heat only boiler, total failure, no heat, no hot water was the fault. Customer just said it wasn't doing anything. It's not sat on a fault code while I'm sat here, but we'll have a look anyway. A demand is created and then a fault code E160 comes up. Find the GC number, whip out Parts Arena, type that in, because obviously the installation instructions isn't left on site. It's a good thing about Parts Arena, you can access installation manufacturer's instructions, all that kind of literature anywhere you are, don't need signal. Click on fault finding, E160, fan or fan wiring fault. So let's get some tools out and whip the case off. So yeah, fan's not doing anything, it's not even spinning. So we'll check for voltage to make sure we're getting voltage to the fan. Got 240 to the fan, so we know it must be the fan. It's a long shot, but it's worth trying to warm the fan up with a hairdryer. Sometimes it gets it going, not this time. So baxi parts for the Potterton. There's the fan we need. So start unplugging the connectors, pulling everything off. It's just the gas nut to undo, and then the 4 10mm bolts, and the whole thing will slide out. So we've got to put that new fan onto there. Just looks like 4 screws in a gasket, but the whole thing had to come out because the screw's obviously facing the wrong way. I ordered the fan gasket as well, although this one doesn't look too bad to be fair, but we'll use the new one. New one's in, throw the other one away, pop the fan on and tighten it up. Then the next one is the burner seal. Again, that doesn't look too bad, but it probably hasn't been taken apart in 13 years, so we'll bin that one off, put the new one on. It's not the proper cleaning tool, but give it a good clean out anyway. Once you're happy that it's clean, just pour some water in. I always put plenty of water down just to clean it all out. Flushes the trap out as well. Everything goes back in reverse order. I always tighten up one corner, then go to the opposite corner, then go to the other side, then go to the opposite corner. It just tightens it up evenly. Plug all the connectors and the leads back in. make sure the gas nut's tight. It's after the gas valve, so a tightness test wouldn't prove whether that's leaking or not anyway. So make sure that's tight. Moment of truth, turn it on. Go and create a demand. Fires into life. Carry out your 26/9 gas checks. Then you can leave the customer with heating and hot water. Happy days.